Hello everyone, this is the SETEC Dishwasher training video. First step you're going to do is you have the drains. Unlike other dishwashers where the drains are inside the machine, there are no drains inside the machine. The drains are down below. So they have an open and close valve. You need to turn those to closed so water will not come out. So we turn both these to closed. Then to turn on the dish machine, we have the safety on, turn on fill, turn on tank heater, and then once it's full, you can hit the start button. So right now it's going to fill. This is a high temp machine. This machine will get to 180 degrees. So it does not have sanitizer. It actually uses just regular dish soap, which is in here, which this is always in the coffee closet when it runs out. Right now we have about a half soap tank left. And then it uses a product here. It's a rinse additive to help make the dishes look clear. This fills up right here. There's plenty in there. This should never run low very fast. That is all it takes to turn on this dish machine. Once it's full, you will then hit the start button. And then you can push a rack through the machine. Now the dish machine is full. The fill button turns tank heaters on. The fill button's now off, so it's done filling. And you can run a rack through. As you can see, water and pressure is good. There is no water coming into this drain, which means both of these valves are closed. When you open these valves, which would cause your dishes not to wash, water comes out of those drains. When a rack exits the dish machine, if the racks surpass this, there is a stop button in the back. This shuts off the mechanism, that mechanism right there that's moving back and forth. When this is pressed, it's not going. It stops. So you always have to make sure that there's no rack sitting on that. Otherwise, the dish machine will stop. Because we're done with the dish machine, we're going to hit stop. We're going to turn the tank heater off. We're going to switch the machine to off. Now, does not look like there's much water in there because the water sits below the metal. So you will then need to open these drains up, turn those to open, look, the water is coming out. Then you will need to take out this and clean that out along with the rack that's in here. And rinse those off. That is how you clean and turn off the dish machine. This is the recycling. Instead of having a spray up here to spray dishes off, this actually recycles water from inside of here, goes out of a drain, up and around, creates a waterfall. How to turn this on is very simple. You turn the on switch on, and then you hit start button, and it fills the tank, which is underneath here. There's a drain plug. You have to make sure that's in, and then it's going to fill up. Once it achieves the level, it will start spraying water out of here. Now, you can adjust the pressure of the water through this red valve underneath here, right back here. That red valve does that. To adjust the hot water, you can adjust this valve right here. Typically, you do not need to mess with it. In order to get this to stop, you hit the stop button, and the water stops. In order to drain it and clean it, which needs to be done frequently throughout washing dishes, you pull out the drain. Water now drains around. And that is the recycler.